Hello students, welcome back in our EVS class. Today we will continue same lesson maps and symbols. In previous video we have learned about sketch and map. Now let's continue next point. Do you know the art of map making has now advanced greatly. Our ancestors also used to make maps. Ancestors means our great grandparents or great great grandparents. These are our ancestors. They also make map. They used animals' skin, bones, cowries and clay or stone tablets to make maps. Approximately 5000 years ago, there was a civilization called Mesopotamia. It is a region of Western Asia. A clay tablet of those days showing some part of Mesopotamia is shown alongside. Now make friends with maps. We can see here map of Maharashtra. Title of map is Major Tourist Places and Transport Routes. We can see here compass rose scale. Now let's read the index. We can see here symbols of district headquarters, major places, caves, fort. In Marathi, fort means killa. Hot water springs, air transport center and port. Port means it is an area where ships come and go. Here we can see symbol of national highway and dotted line is for railway. Study the map of Maharashtra given below and complete the activity. Our state has a historical heritage. Heritage means valuable things like historical buildings such as forts, temples. Maharashtra has forts near the sea, in the mountains and on the plains. Write the names of districts which have forts. Some of the districts which have forts are Satara, Kolhapur, Aurangabad and Dhule. Second, write the names of districts with hot water springs. Some of the districts which have hot water springs are Yavatmal, Raigad, Jalgaon and Ratnagiri. Third, underline the names of districts which have caves. The districts which have caves are Raigad, Nashik, Latur, Aurangabad and Bhandara. Fourth, find the districts which have ports and circle their names. The districts which have ports are Ratnagiri, Raigad and Thane. Next is classify man-made and natural objects with the help of index. Man-made objects are forts, ports, national highway, railway and airport. The natural objects are caves and hot water springs. There is a national highway and a railway line between Pune and Kolhapur. In your notebook, write which of these is shorter. National highway shorter than railway line between Pune and Kolhapur. Number 7. Trace the Gondia-Chandrapur railway line and write the names of the places on the line. The places on the Gondia-Chandrapur railway lines are Arjuni, Morgaon, Desaiganj and Brahmapuri. Children, you have to complete this activity in your notebook and read geography lesson number 13 and 14.